everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a stitch fix. I haven't even opened the box, but I am a peeker and I peeked and I'm very excited to show you what I got in my box. So if you haven't heard of Stitch Fix is a styling service. It is online. You can buy things now on demand in their freestyle app. They use an algorithm to help try and pick out things that they think you might like based on a style profile that you provide, as well as your history and buying habits. They do have a personal stylist that will pick out the items for you if the algorithm isn't anything that you like, because you do get a preview of about 10 items, and you can select up to 5 or none at all, and then your stylist will fill in the remaining. There is a $20 fee per each box that you get. So if you get it monthly, you're paying $20 monthly. You can get it every 2 or 3 weeks. Every 2 to 3 weeks, you would pay that styling fee. You can do this on demand. There is no subscription involved in this. I've been doing mine every 2 to 3 weeks just because I have the Style Pass. The Style Pass is $49 a year. I pay that once. Whether you pay the styling pass or that $20 fee, whatever you buy, you can apply that fee towards your box. So the styling pass is a no-brainer. And on top of that, if you keep 5, you get 25% off. But that's rare for me. A lot of people have questioned me on my channel. It's like, I don't understand why you do these unboxing services. You don't buy anything, which is not true. I think I buy quite a bit. I rarely just keep a 5 out of 5. I'll keep maybe 1 or 2 things per box, but it's gotta be something I love and something that's unique to my wardrobe. Okay, so let's come over here. I'll show you this detail. I rarely do this. Shipping is free both ways, and they send you a mailer that you can just stick in your mailbox or drop off at the post office. You don't have to worry about anything. You get an invoice, which, you know, we all don't like, all right? An invoice itemizing each piece of item, plus you get a note from your stylist as well as ways to wear your items. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here's my little burrito, because we're now in the spring and summer clothes, so it's going to be small now. And they also give you a little, you know, what the heck is this called? QR code for you to scan in your phone in order for you to go directly to the Freestyle website and actually order things on your own if you like. All right, so open up my little bundle here. And I'm gonna go through the things that I was most excited, all right? First up is this cute little top from Lush, all right? This was in my style preview, and I just think this is adorable. I love the blue colors and like the little soft orange and yellow flowers. I do like the tie side. As long as the items don't add bulk to my stomach, I do like the tie side. I think it's cute. This is like a peach or beigeish peaches color eyelet. This feels either rayon or cotton, whereas the rest of the blouse is polyester. It is that surplice or wrap style. I will tell you what it is. It's the ivory floral. The self is 100% polyester. The contrast, which is the sleeves, are 100% cotton. Machine wash cold water. Do not tumble dry. Line dry, no problem. I line dry all my tops. And this is in a size extra small. And the price on this is $42. They're calling it the Ramona Faux Wrap Crop Top in Off-White, $42. Adorable, love it. These color pattern is color wave. I don't have anything like it. I don't have anything like with a little eyelet sleeves like this, I don't think. I have some like with like an organza type of sleeve, but I don't think anything with eyelet sleeves. So this I really like. It was my preview when I started. I was like, oh, pretty colors. So we'll have to see what it looks like on me. Hopefully it fits. The next thing that was in my preview that I liked is this top. And I wanted to try this. The pattern is okay. I'll be honest with you. I don't love the pattern. And it has a lot of smocking, which I do like smocking, but I think I might be starting to get over it. Like this top today is smocked. I just have a lot of smocking, and I love it, but I'm worried about putting too much in my wardrobe, so I end up having to ditch my entire wardrobe when everyone looks at you like you're wearing smocking, like it's outdated. So this is by the General Good. I wanted to try this brand. I actually never heard it before. The back is entirely smocked. The front, the chest area is not smocked, but the bottom stomach area is smocked, okay? And it has the elasticized cuffs, all right? It looks like it's a 3/4 sleeve. Let's see what this is made out of. It feels like polyester, but we'll check. We'll check to see for you. Again, the name brand is the General Good, and I have never heard of that name brand, so I wanted to try it. So the top is 100% polyester. The elastic is polyester and spandex, and the lining, because there is a lining in this, is polyester. And I'm kind of impressed with the quality of this. This is, even though it's polyester, it seems like it's a nice polyester. It seems like it's well made. And I like this top. The pattern is okay to me. I like it. I don't necessarily know I love it enough to buy it. This is called the General Good. Who is this? Because I got two General Good tops here. Hold on. The General Good. Let's see. The General Good. The Elena Smocked Crop Top. And this one is sized up for me in a size small, and it is $44. All right? So I will give this a shot and see how it looks. The one thing I do have concern is the width of it. I think the size small is going to be too big in the shoulders, but we'll give it a try. All right. Next up is another blouse. Okay. And this is also by the General Good, and I am pretty impressed with this quality so far. This is cute. This is really cute. So it's a blue blouse with little white flowers on it. The bottom is smocked with like a little ruffle / peplum type of hem. So it's more of a ruffle hem than a peplum, but I have a feeling it's gonna fit like the peplum. It has the elasticized cuff short sleeve with a little bow tie on it. And this one I believe is also a size small. And this is the Ramona faux wrap crop top. And no, sorry, this is not. This is the Madeline Smock crop top in blue, $42. And let's see what the material of this is made out of. I do like this. I do like this a lot. 100% rayon. All right, made in Vietnam. So we'll have to see and how this actually looks on me. I do like this. It's cute. Again, my only concern is the width, and I can see this like falling off my shoulder and not staying on my shoulder. So we'll have to see and how it lays. All right, next up, I got some athletic wear, and I kind of like this color, all right? So it's kind of like not a burgundy and not quite a mauve, something like in between the two. And they're calling it burgundy. This is the Girlfriend Collective Float Seamless High rise performance legging, and they're calling it burgundy. It's much lighter than burgundy, size extra small. I've never tried Girlfriend Collective before. I'm kind of happy to try this, and you know what, they don't seem too long, so I'm gonna have to try these on and make sure that they're not gonna bunch on me on the knees. And they're super soft. They're not like Beyond Yoga soft type of soft, but they are super soft. They are made in our certified factory in Vietnam, and they're 90% recycled polyester and 10% elastane. There are no pockets on it. It does appear to have a little pocket in here, all right? A little, like, I guess, to put your key in. And yeah, and it's in the back, and I'll give these a try. Now, I'll be honest with you, and I have two pairs of Beyond Yoga leggings that I purchased through Shop Your Looks. Not Shop Your Looks, but Freestyle. Sometimes I'm a small leggings, sometimes I'm an extra small. It depends on the name brand, and I think these might be ones that I need a small in. The band here looks very tiny, but I'll give it a shot. All right, I do like this color, and I don't have anything this color. I wouldn't call this burgundy, even though they are. I would say it's like almost like a dark, dusty rose, kind of. I don't know. Not quite a burgundy. And then next up, I have a sports bra, which I know I will not keep because I don't wear sports bras like this. I only wear the zip-up kind. So this one will most likely be going back. It is pretty plain. It's in a dark gray. And, you know, it has the typical waist strap bra, and it is an extra small, and yeah, I don't know if my boobs are gonna fit in that, and I'm not so sure I'll come out with this with you, because even though I'm a small person, I don't have the body confidence to display myself, and I do have a lot of loose skin left over from losing weight, so I don't necessarily think I'm comfortable in this, but I'll try it on, and then I'll judge in the mirror to see whether or not I'm brave enough to show you guys. And I am not gonna try on today. I literally just got this in the mail. I was very excited to get it and I wanted to open it. I will be trying this on tomorrow. So you'll see it in just a second, but I'm not doing the trying on tomorrow. So take care. Okay, up first is this Lush top. This Lush top is called the Ramona Faux Wrap Crop Top, size extra small, $42. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's a crop top because it's not here down here, but on me, it's really not a crop top. I'm wearing high-waisted pants, though I would wear high-waisted pants with this, probably. Maybe not necessarily, but I did put on the most high-waisted pants I had because I was assuming it was a crop top, but for me, it really isn't. It's just a regular blouse length. It has this wrap style. It is a true wrap. It is has like a button enclosure here or tie closure on the inside. It's the surplice style. I did not put a cami or anything on underneath because I wanted to see if this was see-through or not. I don't think it is. If it is see-through, you know, I might wear half cami with it, but I would not wear a full cami. It would be way too hot for that. It is a polyester, but it's a super lightweight, thin polyester. So I could wear this in the summertime, like to go out to dinner or something like that. I already do own this Lush top that is a very similar style. It's the surplice style, wrap, tie on the side. However, the sleeves are a like trumpet little sleeve, and this is obviously different. This is obviously the puff sleeve. It has a different colorway. I think this is different enough. The only thing that's the same is the wrap and the tie side. I don't mind tie sides. I don't mind surplice style. My only issue, and I had a problem with the other top, is I'm a little bit busty. And yes, it fits, and no, I don't think it's pulling, but like if I do something like this or whatever, it might pull a little bit. And I did lose the snap on that one, and I had to bring it to the dry cleaner to put another snap in it, and even a secondary snap. Yeah, they put 2 snaps in it so it stays closed. Hopefully that doesn't happen to this top. I think it's modest enough the way it is now. I don't need another snap. I just hope that this snap doesn't come flying off. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the detail. This is cotton, and it's like an eyelet pattern, and it's like blue and melon and yellow, and I have absolutely nothing like this colorway. It's a very comfortable top. I think this is a keeper. Again, I think it was, what did I just say, $42 or $44? It is $42, so not a bad price. I think it's cute. I think I want to keep this one. Okay, let me show you the back of it and then on to the next top. Okay, give me a minute and throw it on the next top. Okay, up next is the Lena Smock Crop Top by the General Goods. So this is a new name brand to me. So I'm very excited. This was in my preview. I was very excited to try this on because I wanted to check out what this name brand is like. This is $44. If you're wondering like what the quality is on this, I actually think the quality is probably maybe even a tad better than the Lush top, to be honest with you. And I would definitely put it above like Pink Clover or 9 Britain brands from Stitch Fix. I think this is a better brand than those, like as far as quality goes. I mean, it is still, is this one polyester? If it feels like a little rayon-y. So now I have to look to see when I take it off what the fabric is, as I don't see it on a tag here. I thought one of them was rayon, the other one was polyester, and I can't remember which one was which. I thought this one was polyester, but now that I'm feeling it, it almost feels like a little rayon-y. So this is a really nice top. My only issue with it has a little tie here just for decoration, and it has like a little stretchy ruching right here, and this is all smocked. All right, my only issue with it, it was sized up in a small, and usually I'd say that's good, but the shoulders are a little loose, so I do have to pull it up a little bit. I think it's a really adorable top. Do I love it? I don't love it as much as the last top. I'll show you the print, okay? It is an adorable print. It has some yellow. It has some like, again, it's not burgundy and it's not quite pink. It's a light burgundy, I would guess. And it has like a sage green. I do like the print. I don't think I love the print. I'm going to think about this one, but I'm most likely sending this back just because of budgetary reasons. All right. This is the back of it. Again, they're called cropped, but again, I'm 5'2". I don't have an issue with this being cropped. To me, this is a normal length for me. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna do the third top, which is another General Good top. Okay, the next top is also by the General Good, the Madeline Smock Detail Top in blue in size small. So if you're wondering how these things run, they run true to size. Small is too big for me. It keeps hanging off my shoulders, which is what I was afraid of. I would need an extra small one, this one. The other one I can deal with, like it's a little bit loose in the shoulders, but this is way too loose in the shoulders for me to keep. It looks sloppy on me. There's just way too much fabric, which is a shame. I really like this top. Let me show you the back of it, which I also feel is quite low, probably because I'm so short too. It has like a peplum type bottom. I love this color. Let me come closer. It's a blue with a small white floral pattern, very little ditzy floral. It has the cute little ties here on the sleeves, which keep falling down on me. I really do love this top, but unfortunately it just doesn't work for me. This one was $42. This is the one that's 100% rayon. The other top was 100% polyester, but it was a nice polyester. Like I said, it almost felt like it had some rayon in it. So I really would recommend this name brand for like an affordable, fashionable blouse. I think that's a pretty decent quality for the price. You know, you're not going to get something like the level of CC, you know, at this price. But for $42, I think these are nice, cute little tops. Okay. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to try on the dreaded leggings and sports bra, and I'm not so sure I'm going to come out in that sports bra. So give me a minute. Okay, getting these two pieces on was a challenge. I don't wear sports bras that I have to pull over my head. I find this extremely tight and small, and I know sports bras are supposed to be tight. I have 5 sports bras, and I'm looking for replacements for some. I only wear the zip up kind, and this is was really hard to get down over, and I certainly don't want to have to pull this off when I'm hot and sweaty. The leggings, love the color. The length is pretty good. All right, I'll pan down in a minute so you can see the full length. So they're a good length on me. Honestly, I think I'm gonna pass on these. These are like super thin, and you know, if there was something I wanted out of them, I would keep them, but I don't like the fact that they're so thin. The pockets would be a bonus. It's not gonna be like, you know, oh, I can't get them because they have no pockets. I will get leggings without pockets, but these, I just feel between the thin and nothing beneficial from them and them being rather snug and tight, I think I'm going to pass on these. I might get them at a later date, but as of right now, I think I'm okay with sending them back. I have to think about it, because sometimes I send things back and then I regret sending them back. Like those loafers, I have buyers, or I should say, sender backers remorse. I'm like, oh, I should have kept the loafers. So, you know, I often send things back and then wish I hadn't. So, and keep in mind, be nice. I'm very self-conscious. I know you think I'm thin and everything, but I feel like I have like meat back here, and I'm very self-conscious of that. So, yeah, these are the leggings. This is the sports bra. I would wear the leggings, but like I said, they're kind of on the thin side, and I think I would rather have something a little bit more substantial. Plus, I just bought some leggings from Beyond Yoga, which I'm going to show you in another video. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm almost at 1,000. I think I got like 130 left to go. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and take care until next time. Oh, and the one thing I forgot, I never told you the price of the leggings. So the leggings are $78, and the bra is $42. And I don't think I'm gonna keep either one of these. They're just not screaming buy me. I have 2 pairs of Beyond Yoga here I'd like to try, and I'm hoping one of those works out. And take care until next time.